I'm Pauline Harris-Smith, I'm senior carer at Willowdale Care Home. Every day I come in through the door, I know I'm going to make a difference to those because, you know, obviously they're here because they're not able to look after themselves, and that's our job to do that, and I try and do that 100% every day as I can. Everything really. Again, it's just being able to come in and give them the reassurance that they need, and sometimes obviously they do get low, and you know, sitting down and actually speaking to them, you know, in general, and talking and listening is a great deal to them personally. The job to me is not really hard. It is a hard job, but my personal thing with the job is when we've looked after a resident for so long, and then all of a sudden you get to that stage where you see them going down, and that is the hard part as a carer, you know, because you remember them as they were coming in, able to do certain things for themselves, and then all of a sudden that, you know, their care needs change, not on a weekly, it's basically on a daily basis. So yeah, so I enjoy that part of it, to give them that reassurance back that we're here to look after them, and we're here as a friend and not just as a carer to those. A lot of my friends always say to me, I'll take my hat off to you because I couldn't do that job. You know, and people like, you know, like yourself that can. And it's just it's seeing the smile on their faces sometimes, because I'm basically a bit of a mad carer. I'm a singer and a dancer and do all that with them, you know, and it makes a day. And it's also nice as well, because when you're on holiday and you come back and you think, where have you been? And it's nice to be missed. You know, they've got nobody. Some haven't even got husbands, some haven't got families, no children, some are just bachelors, you know, and they're coming in, they've got that company and they've got that reassurance. And again, it's like, you know, we can sit there and we can chat to them, and they can tell us their problems, and you know, we have to say to them sometimes, you know, we've got to get where you are, so we've got to understand, give it a go. Give it a go. It's not for everybody, I get that, but you know, just give it a go. That's what I say, because it just makes a difference to them. You know, don't get me wrong, it's hard from time to time, but then what job isn't? So, you know, just get in there, give it a go, and if you like it, stick at it, because it's well rewarding. It makes me angry. It does make me angry, and I just say, you know, try it for yourself. You know, it is a rewarding job. You know, not all carers are the same. There is some nasty ones out there, but there is also very good ones out there as well. And you just need to hear a bit more about the good than all. I mean, you get the documentaries and the news. There's this happening in such a care home, which is really shocking. But you know, we never see the good side of like a good care home. What is a good care home? I think the staff help a lot. You know, if you've got good staff and they've got good remole with the residents, I think it'd be okay. You know, places like where I work and other care homes, they've got that support and they feel safe. You know, and they know that they've got that bell for their lifeline, and it's there, and they can ring us as and when they need. And we're there and do what we can at the time and make them more comfortable, and you know, until whenever, which is hopefully for a long time. And we do get upset when they pass away, obviously, you know, but we want them to live forever, but we know they don't. But hey, and we do get emotional, and then we get cross with ourselves, and then we think, well, no, we're human, and we do get attached to each and every one of them, you know, and you fill up, as I'm talking about, because we do, and it is hard, but yeah.